Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some more fall and winter haircut ideas. Kicking things off with this beautiful burgundy bob style. This one does feature a dramatic angle cut. Color is so beautiful. Next up, we move into a hair transformation. So it looks like she's going to be getting a cut refresh here. Bit of a color touch up. And we have a gorgeous blonde pixie style featuring the shaven side. Very nice. I love how much volume this cut has. Next up, we have another cut refresh. So she's got the blonde money piece going there in the front. And it looks like she got a little bit more color here going as well, sprinkled throughout the top, and the hair cut into a pixie. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. She's doing a bob. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous bob style. Comes to a round shoulder length. Followed by another beautiful bob with the curtain bangs. Lots of volume there, the old money style bob. Another gorgeous bob with the curtain bangs. This one has more of a texturized French girl style look. Ooh, I love the coloring on this next bob with bangs. Very cute. Now this bob also features some curtain bangs. I love the hint of color that she has here going at the top. And then here we see someone with a simple chic bob. Definitely a gorgeous classic bob style. And then we move into another money piece highlight look. She does have the bob going here. Dramatic color combo. So pretty. I love the way that the color looks. Another bob transformation. Now, if you guys notice, she does have a pop of color going here mixed in as well. Actually looks like she has the under color trend, a hint of color going there in the back. And then we have a pixie bob style. Very cute. Such a modern, playful cut. Lots of body. Very nice. And then we move into a bob cut refresh. It's like the stylist is doing an angle here. Oh, gorgeous dramatic angle. Hair is much longer in the front versus the back. We have another color transformation. Now her hair is extremely thick. Ooh, wow, the color came out great. And she ended up getting a nice layered bob look with the swoop bangs. This is gorgeous. And here we have another color transformation. So we have some purple. This is definitely going to be a bold hairstyle. Whoa! Oh, such a fun look. I love the color. So we have some more color for the next one. A bit of red. And if you are thinking of coloring your hair, I feel like the fall and winter season is such a great time to do so. Oh, she went darker. Very nice. I love the bob as well. And the hair looks like it has a bit of ash to it, just a teeny bit. Very cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.